The fractionated coconut oil I like to use is from doTERRA, so this will reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil, help to cover larger surface areas of your body, and Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of spearmint essential oil. Spearmint is a perennial plant that grows 11 to 40 inches tall and flourishes in temperate climates. It is widely used in gums, candies, and dental products for its minty taste and to promote fresh breath. Spearmint has been used for centuries for its digestive benefits as well. Its sweet, refreshing aroma is cleansing and uplifting, making it ideal to evoke a sense of focus and positive mood. Spearmint is very different from peppermint, making it a milder option to use on children and those with sensitive skin. In cooking, spearmint is frequently used in salads, drinks, and desserts, but it can also be used in homemade salad dressings and to marinate savory dishes. The top 3 common uses for doTERRA spearmint oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. Spearmint's benefits are that it reduces occasional stomach upset, freshens breath, and promotes a sense of focus. The directions for use are applying 1 to 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil on the bottoms of your feet and palms of your hands to help your body systems. The fractionated coconut oil I like to use is from doTERRA, so this will reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil, help to cover larger surface areas of your body, and help the essential oil absorb better into your skin. So this is a non-greasy, no-smell solution that is perfect for topical application. You can also place 1 drop on the top of your hand, right here, and then lick it off, and then rub your tongue on the roof of your mouth. And then finally, you can diffuse 2 drops each of spearmint, peppermint, and wintergreen in a 4-hour diffuser like the doTERRA Petal diffuser for some great aromatherapy. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.